beauties, it's your girl Royalty Roots. You guys, I'm gonna do this really quick Garland Valentine's DIY, but in between the process we're gonna take a field trip to Dollar Tree. But we're using Dollar Tree products. I'm using this right here, the love heart, wooden hearts, then the happy Valentine's Day wooden heart, and then we're going to use the wooden heart with the arrow going through it. Also, we're going to use this right here, this burlap ribbon with the lace going across the top. I only have a little bit. I did another DIY using this, so I only have just this little bit left. That's why we're taking a field trip to Dollar Tree to get more of this ribbon. We're going to use some twine to make the garland. So we're going to go downstairs and measure the fireplace to see how long of a garland we need. And then now we're just going to paint these 3. I'm going to use a total of 6, so probably 2 of each. And then we're going to paint them pink and white, of course. So you guys, we have 2 of each spread out on here. We're going to use some white paint. I usually use this paint or the Waverly white paint, but since we just going to do this real quick, we don't need to waste the Waverly paint. That's a little bit more expensive than this paint. I'd rather use this little cheap paint. So let me pour the pink and we'll get started. Give it 1 coat, and you can still see the love on here, so I'm just gonna go across the love with white once it's dry. You can still see it on there with the grooves. So just like this, and you can still see the love. You guys probably can't see it good, but I can still see the love. So I'm gonna go back and paint the love white, and then I'm gonna do which other one I want to be pink. Let's make this one pink as well. The Happy Valentine's Day. We're gonna make that pink as well. Okay, we're just doing a light coat, you guys. Something simple. See, just like that. And you can still see the Happy Valentine's Day with the grooves. So let me paint the rest of these and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to paint these white. These 2 right here, just paint them white. When they dry, by the time we get back from Dollar Tree, our little field trip, they should be dry. I'll flip them over and paint the back. It's going to be a garland, so I'm not sure if you will actually see the back, but it depends on how they hang on my fireplace, if the back's going to show or not. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to actually paint the back as well. Okay, now let me paint the other one and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, all 6 are painted. Now you can see you still see the groove of the love. You still see that, and they all 6 look really good. It's a little bit need to be painted right there where my fingernail at. I'll fix that real quick. And a little bit needs to be painted right there where my fingernail at. And I'll fix that as well real quick. Okay, you guys, I've already painted the signs. Y'all, if y'all can freehand this, then do it the way I did it. Didn't turn out so great. Of course, I can't freehand it, but can you see it? But with this, I just use this thing, which sucks, but I used it versus trying to do it with this. It didn't turn out so good, as you can see at first. But on the hearts, I added a little character to a little pink. And now I'm going to stretch out this and see how far I think I need. And with the ribbon, you guys, I went back to get more of this ribbon. They didn't have it at the particular one I went to, but it's okay because this is quite a bit right here. And I was thinking I was only doing just a few bows, maybe 3. Yeah, maybe 3 bows, so that should be enough for those. And if not, I know where I can pull like a little bit more from. Okay, so let me pull this and see how long I think we would need to go across the mantle. Let's see. Let's make it a little bit longer. And yeah, this should be enough. I'm about to make a mess, y'all. Okay. So let's face it this way. And we're gonna tie a knot. Put it through like this, and about this much to wrap it around the mantle, and then we're going to tie a knot some kind of way. Oh, you know what? I should go, let's see, this end. We're gonna figure this out, y'all. I think I want love on each end, so we're gonna put this heart in there, and then I'm gonna tie it some kind of way, you guys. Put this in there like this, and do it like that. Yep. So this is how I want to do it, and then I will put a bow in between, just like that. Okay, so let me make my little bow, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, this is the finish. Sorry I didn't show you guys how I was going to glue this on there, but I was talking to the little monster, of course, Jasmine. But only thing I did, you guys, was glue the little bows on here, and then you can see right here where I glued it on the back. Just put a little glue and call it a day. I painted these, of course, with the pencil versus with the actual paint like I did these, but I like it. I just don't like the fact that they turn, and I guess because they're so heavy, so I should have used 2 strings versus 1 string. But you guys, Valentine's Day is coming within like 3 weeks now, so this is what we're gonna roll with. Next time I'll use a heavier string versus that string so they won't turn and be looking all crazy, but I still like it, and it's gonna go up there because it matches my XOXO. If you guys haven't seen that DIY, go watch that as well. I'll pin it at the end. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video if y'all want to see a living room tour of my Valentine's Day. Comment below and I will post that as well. But thanks for watching. Bye.